Now, question number 2. We said we're looking for a super positive word that has something to do with making contributions to science and technology. So going through these answer choices, letter A is bravery. So we know that that's positive. So if you had just put in a positive sign for your prediction, then you would probably end up checking this because bravery is positive. So if you're a little more specific, then you would know that we need something along the lines of science and technology, which really is usually not brave. So we can get rid of that one. Then the next is equestrianism. Now I'm going to assume that you have no idea what that is, but if you do, then you can mark it as you would. So I'm going to leave that in for most of you as a mystery. The next is civic responsibility. That's also positive, but civic responsibility does not necessarily mean creative contributions to science and technology. So that you can get rid of. Letter D is innovation. Now, if you don't know what that means, you can leave it in as a mystery. But innovation means that you're being creative and you're making inventions that are helping out some portion of our society, which would be a huge contribution and could be in the areas of science and technology, so that gets a check. And the last is jurisprudence, which is also probably a mystery. So now looking at the answer choices you have left, you have a mystery, and something you know is right. So at that point, you're always going to go with the check. And what you should do as you're doing all these drills is keep a little vocab journal. So anytime you have a word that's a mystery, write it down, go look it up, and the act of writing it down is actually what helps you remember it. So I really strongly encourage you to go to dictionary.com and look these words up so that you remember them in the future.